Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to delete a live video on your Instagram account using an iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to an iPhone, the Instagram application and account, so we can now bring the iPhone into the frame. Navigate to the Instagram application, click on Instagram. Make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile, and then before clicking on your IG story live video, turn down the volume, click on the video, go to the three dots on the right bottom corner of the screen, click on this, click on delete. Delete this video, yes. So now the live stream that was posted to the IG story has now been deleted. Swipe down. Go to the profile, swipe down again. Go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.